Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using Storj. Storj, found at https://www.storj.io, presents a unique approach to decentralized cloud storage. Leveraging blockchain technology and a vast network of individual node operators, Storj offers a compelling alternative to traditional centralized cloud providers. Instead of relying on massive data centers owned by single corporations, Storj distributes data across its decentralized network, enhancing security, privacy, and resilience. This distributed architecture ensures no single point of failure. If one node goes offline, your data remains safe and accessible thanks to its redundant storage across multiple locations. This system also improves data security by encrypting files before they're even distributed across the network. Only you, the data owner, hold the decryption keys, providing an additional layer of privacy compared to centralized solutions. The Storj network, powered by its native cryptocurrency, Storj, incentivizes individuals to contribute their storage space. This creates a dynamic and growing ecosystem where users pay for storage and bandwidth, and node operators earn rewards for providing reliable service. This tokenized model fosters a robust and decentralized infrastructure, making Storj a compelling alternative in the evolving landscape of cloud storage. Furthermore, Storj boasts competitive pricing compared to many mainstream cloud storage platforms, making it an attractive option for individuals and businesses alike. With its innovative approach to decentralized storage, robust security features, and attractive cost structure, Storj offers a promising glimpse into the future of data storage. The platform's focus on user privacy and control makes it an especially interesting alternative for those concerned about data sovereignty and security in an increasingly digital world. So, if you're seeking a secure, decentralized, and affordable cloud storage solution, Storj is definitely worth exploring further.